Have you ever pondered the process of creating an Arduino Uno from scratch? It may seem like a daunting task, but with the right knowledge and tools, it's entirely possible. First, consider the heart of the Arduino Uno, the microcontroller. A microcontroller is like a tiny, programmable computer. It's the brain of the Arduino Uno, responsible for executing the code that you write. For the Arduino Uno, you'll need an Atmega 328P microcontroller. Now imagine a blank canvas. This is your printed circuit board, or PCB. It's the platform where you'll place your microcontroller and other components. You can design your PCB layout using software like Eagle or KiCad. Remember to include spaces for the digital and analog pins, the USB interface, and the power jack. Next, think about the components you'll need. Apart from the Atmega 328P, you'll need a 16 MHz crystal oscillator, a USB interface chip, 2 capacitors, a reset button, several resistors, and LEDs. All these components work together to make your Arduino Uno functional and programmable. Once you've gathered all your components, it's time to assemble. Solder the Atmega 328P onto the PCB, followed by the crystal oscillator, which provides the clock signal for the microcontroller. Then, solder the capacitors, resistors, and LEDs onto the PCB. Don't forget the USB interface chip, which is crucial for programming the Arduino Uno. Lastly, solder the reset button. This button allows you to restart your program, useful for debugging and testing. Now, you have your very own Arduino Uno, but it still needs programming. You can use the Arduino IDE to write and upload your code to the Atmega 328P. This is where you breathe life into your Arduino Uno, making it perform whatever tasks you've coded it to do. In summary, building an Arduino Uno from scratch involves selecting the right microcontroller, designing your PCB layout, gathering your components, soldering them onto the PCB, and programming your Arduino Uno. So, the next time you're holding an Arduino Uno, remember the intricate process that goes into creating this tiny but powerful device. The art of making an Arduino Uno from scratch is not just about the components and the assembly, but also about the creativity, knowledge, and precision it demands. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of technology. And who knows, maybe the next Arduino Uno that you hold in your hands will be one that you've made yourself. So go ahead, take the plunge and embark on this exciting journey of creating your own Arduino Uno from scratch.